Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, September 4th. Taking a look at the news from forexfactory.com, you can see that there's a bunch of Canadian numbers that are big. They've got some rate statements and whatnot going on. Really doesn't affect the U.S. in any way. So moving on, we have trade balance at 8:30. 10 o'clock, we have the one red item of the day for the U.S., the JOLTS job openings report to give us an idea of how the labor market is doing. We have factory orders month over month and the awards total vehicle sales, which will also be trickle in throughout the day. 2 o'clock, we have the beige book. I personally like the beige book because it is sort of a way to look under the hood of the economy. Very few people actually look at it, but it really does give additional details about the economy. It's something you should take a look at. That being said, moving on. What do we got on the chart here today? Daily chart. Wow, big outside day. Huge outside day, actually. Market is broken out of this consolidation band with force. We are also gapping down as we speak. Volume still kind of anemic, but at least it's a little bit higher than we've had over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, this is an ugly pattern. Probably going to see multi-day down. Where could it go on the downside? Man, I think that this low volume node 5450 area is certainly within range. No question. If we could get going back up to the upside, what was resistance now becomes support, and support becomes resistance. So this was support up here. It is now going to be resistance. So if we go back up to the top side, 5583, maybe 5600, I don't see us being able to get back up through that, at least not on one day. Because, again, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. We've got this big band of consolidation. That'll be resistance going up into it. So there you have it for the daily chart. The overnight, or I should say the inventory, I put 2 days together because Monday and Tuesday get considered as the same trade day. So you can see the action there. Also, you can see that we had negative bias on the inventory. Inventory was negative 17,000, but actually that number is not super big. I kind of expected it to be more than that with that big sell-off. So we'll just have to wait and see if more people start to bail out or if this is an opportunity to buy the dip. Remember, that's been what's been keeping this market going for such a long time is the people buying the dips. So once those people get done, once they get burned a little bit, I think we'll see some downside action. Overnight action was approximately 41 to basically 7, 41 to 7, 34 points. That's about, that's decent volatility. It's above average. Remember, average is 20 to 22, 34 is above that. We have a couple of interesting levels, though. You can see that we came down to this 5507 and 5506.75. They were unable to really break that, and they supported it. So there may be a little area of support. On the top side, you can see that high, that high, that high. All those are in basically the same. 5527 seems to be some resistance. Also, of course, resistance at 5540. 5550, 5560 are going to be on the radar today, as well as for support. The 5500, of course, the whole number is going to be on the radar. We've got one number just below it, 5495, 5490, and some confluence around 5474. So there you have your support and resistance levels for today. Now, Stock Trader's Almanac is positive 52.4, a 52.4% chance the market will be up today based on the Stock Trader's Almanac. So there you have it for today. Again, it's a tough time in the market. Hold your stops. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.